This is how I use my mullet rig for a top water lure. First, I'm going to take all this rigging, three-way swivel, and cut it off and get rid of all that. I'm going to tie this main line directly to the mullet rig. Cut your tag. Now I'm going to remove the removable hook off of the mullet rig. I'm going to get my mullet, my live bait, and to put it on my mullet rig, I'm going to place the wire through the mouth, slide it through, and bring it out the rear vent. Here I'm going to replace the hook. And I'm going to slide that back and set the hook. And set the hook in the tail. And it's going to look like that. Now I'm just going to cast this out and reel it in like any other topwater lure.